Life in Anthem, Arizona offers the perfect blend of suburban comfort and scenic desert views. But as the community continues to grow, so does the level of activity, from busy streets and outdoor recreation to neighborhood gatherings. Many homeowners are looking for ways to create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. One increasingly popular solution? Soundproof door installation. Soundproof doors not only reduce noise from outside sources but also improve privacy, energy efficiency, and home comfort. Here's why more Anthem homeowners are investing in soundproof doors, and how this upgrade can make your home a true sanctuary. The need for peace and quiet. Anthem is known for its active lifestyle, with nearby golf courses, parks, and bustling neighborhoods. However, the same factors that make the area vibrant can also make it noisy. Whether it's passing traffic, barking dogs, or neighbors' outdoor activities, unwanted sounds can easily disrupt your peace. Installing soundproof doors helps block these distractions, creating a calm environment where you can relax, focus, or enjoy uninterrupted sleep. Homeowners working remotely or raising families find this upgrade especially valuable. It turns busy homes into spaces of quiet comfort. How soundproof doors work. Soundproof doors are specifically engineered to reduce sound transmission between spaces. They feature dense cores, acoustic insulation, and tight sealing systems that block sound waves from passing through gaps or thin materials. For Anthem homes, where open concept layouts and hard flooring can amplify noise, soundproof doors make a noticeable difference. Key features include solid core construction. Unlike hollow doors, solid core doors are made of thick materials like composite wood or MDF that absorb sound effectively. Acoustic seals and gaskets. Special weather stripping creates an airtight seal that prevents sound leaks. Multi-layer design. Some high-performance doors include additional layers of sound-dampening foam or acoustic panels for superior noise control. These details work together to minimize noise from the outdoors and between rooms, a simple but powerful improvement for home comfort. Increased privacy and productivity. Privacy is another major reason Anthem residents are choosing soundproof door installation. In multi-generational households or homes with home offices, quiet spaces are essential. A soundproof interior door can help reduce noise transfer between rooms, making it easier to concentrate on work, study, or personal activities. Parents appreciate quieter bedrooms and nurseries, while professionals benefit from less background noise during video calls. For those who value privacy in conversations or entertainment, soundproof doors also enhance the experience of home offices, theaters, and music rooms. Energy efficiency and climate control. Beyond noise reduction, soundproof doors often provide better insulation than traditional options. Their dense cores and tight seals not only block sound but also prevent drafts, keeping your home cooler during Anthem's hot summers and warmer during mild winters. This improved thermal insulation helps reduce your reliance on air conditioning, lowering energy bills and improving overall comfort. Many homeowners find that soundproof doors are a smart investment for both peace of mind and long-term energy savings. Style meets function. Soundproof doors are not just practical, they're stylish, too. Modern designs come in a wide range of materials, colors, and finishes, so homeowners don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for performance. Options like solid wood, fiberglass, or custom-crafted panels can match any architectural style, from Anthem's classic desert-inspired homes to contemporary builds. You can even add decorative glass inserts or custom hardware to achieve a seamless blend of beauty and function. With the help of a professional installer, you can select a door that complements your home's design while delivering top-notch soundproofing benefits. Professional installation matters. For maximum effectiveness, professional installation is key. A properly fitted door ensures tight seals, correct alignment, and long-lasting performance. Expert installers in Anthem understand how local conditions, like dry heat and dust, can affect door materials, ensuring your soundproof door remains efficient and durable for years. Final thoughts: as Anthem continues to grow, so does the demand for peaceful, comfortable living spaces. Soundproof door installation is more than a home upgrade, it's a lifestyle improvement. By blocking unwanted noise, enhancing energy efficiency, and adding stylish appeal, soundproof doors give homeowners a sense of calm and control in an increasingly busy world. If you're ready to enjoy more peace, privacy, and comfort, consider upgrading to a professionally installed soundproof door, and transform your Anthem home into the quiet retreat you deserve.